Okay, after 3 attempts today to
Horseshoe Lake Trail, Rock Creek, Mountain Healy, sled dog kennels this way, 1.9
that's where I was
miles.
That's where I was going.
Look, 1.9. Do you trust me?
I read it with my own eyes, so yes, I trust the sign.
What about me?
No, I don't trust you.
Come on. Wait, do we look like Sherbert?
No. Yes, we do. No. Anyways, the first trip, we went on the wrong
We
road.
look like a tub of Sherbert.
Can I talk?
Ask anyone. That's a poll. Yes or no, do we look like a tub of Sherbert?
No. Anyways, we went on the wrong road for... Alright, seriously? You're gonna make my editing job way harder than it needs to be.
Funny.
Anyways, we went on the wrong road, so then we went back here, and then it was pouring, so we went back to get rain pants, and now we are here. So, I want to see the
And
dog,
it stopped raining.
and it did stop raining.
But I'm happy I have them on.
Yeah, we're gonna go see the dog sled. My arms are so sore from yesterday.
You said you're not sore.
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Okay, so we're on hike number 2 of the day. Oh, Beaver Dam. We could see that way, or there's a beaver dam. Do you want to go see the beaver dam? No? It's not, well, it's not a top. It's, I'm gonna go walk around the lake. We walked to the dog kennels this morning and back, and then now we are doing the Horseshoe Lake trail. I was in this water yesterday, not on it. I was also on it, but I was in it. That was cold. That's it. Beaver trees, huh? Doing work. Well, it is 8:50 and still bright as the day, or here as the night. Why didn't you laugh?
That was good. I didn't know you were looking for me to respond.
It was funny. When I say something funny, you should laugh. Anyways. Wow, the sun came out right at the end of the day. Still just looking everywhere. Anyways, if you made it to this point, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. And I'll see you when I see you.